Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do the color change animation effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. So initially you want to be on the edit page, and then we go up to effects, go to toolbox, then titles, and then we're going to be looking for text. Bring a text box right over here and bring in another text box right next to it. Now we can go into the text and then, give it a basic name. Let's go with forest. Click enter. Actually, no enter here. And then we'll go back to this one and do the same thing. Forest. But we're going to leave this one and change the color of it. So we're going to go up to color, go to red. And so now you'll be able to see with the player head that this one is white and this one is red. Now what we want to do is go up to the toolbox, go to video transitions, and then under dissolve, click and drag cross dissolve in between these two clips. And now check this out. You have a nice color change effect for your text. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.